being the odd one out can feel, well, odd. I mean, I'm a dog, surrounded by cats. But actually, I'm a dog born to cat parents. A dog cat, if you will. Mum still tries that now. Yuck. What kid hasn't chased a squirrel for 10 miles? Am I right? I'm the only pug in town, but this is home. That's Flix, a dog's life. Sardine sandwich?
With extra anchovy?
And crunchy capers?
Of course, your favorite. I'm sorry. I got a little carried away with Greta. It's just so rare to have someone at school who's just like me.
We're sorry too, Flix. We sometimes forget that you're, well, different to us in school.
Yeah, you're a dog and a cat. A dog cat, but we just see you as you, Flix. One of a kind.
Dog hair? In the swordfish tacos?
Shh! Everyone will want some.
I didn't order this furball.
I think that's mine.
Apologies, it's on the house. I'll get you another.
How are you doing, Mac Cat? It's been a while.
Detective Matcat is too old for this shtick. But he hasn't used up his 9 lives yet. Or has he?
This joke's on you, Mac Cat. You're going down.
Matcat returns in Furballs of Fury. In cinemas now.
Furball! I've got to see this!
What's the rumpus?
You want to see my furball? Oh, hold on. Give me a second.
Ew, not your furball. Furballs of Fury. The return of Matcat, bringing Cat Joker to justice. You letting me see it? Oh, Mum, is that new cat hair? You look fabulous. Dad? This recipe is mwah! You're the best cat parents a dog could have. I'll go to the cinema after dinner.
Got it!
There!
No!
Me! There's a big queue. This party is gonna go down in history.
But there's so much to do. We've got to clean up and get everything ready before my parents come back. Why is there a massive crowd outside? We could barely get in. And what's happened in here?
Surprise!
I'm throwing a party?
For the cafe. Munchkin's been working so hard, so we thought we'd celebrate and have fun and keep all the customers happy. Ta-da! Sardine souffle? Not enough sardine.
A party's a nice idea, but there are too many cats outside. We don't have enough food, drinks, or entertainment. We're going to have to close the cafe for tonight. Let's put away the shopping first.
Yes! Goal! That's it!
Sorry. Wanna play?
It's covered in doggy drool. Why can't you use your paws like a regular cat?
Gym class in our school involves a lot of batting, balancing, and gymnastics. You know, cat stuff. I've picked up a few cat skills. It's all about timing. Ah, art class. Painting is very important in Felinia, you know. Cats are refined like that.
Such delicate stroke work. I call this a dog's dinner.
Cats in Felinia love their food. Ever tried a sardine souffle?
Cats in water, huh? All the better to prank them. Tidal wave!
Out of my way! I hear there's free prune juice.
This party is a pooper.
What a catastrophe.
Huh?
Okay, when I say kitty, you say cat. Kitty!
Cat?
Kitty!
Cat!
When I say doggy, you say bark. Doggy!
Bark!
Doggy!
Bark!
Hey, DJ, spin those wheels. And Mr. Wheels, spin your wheels.
Steady! I can feel the prune juice starting to move.
Shrimp stew, anyone? Not too much celery.
How did you pull this off?
It's all down to Munchkin. He's the cat in charge.
This is turning out to be a very special night. Great work, Munchkin.
Did you get our paint problem seen too, Mr. Ratsky?
I had our cleaners try their best, but
Fellow cats and dogs, we present to you Pause for Thought.
Flix!
This week, our special dog guests came to Felinia to celebrate cat-dog friendship. And this mural is here to celebrate our differences, rather than use them to force us apart. Do things the dog way or the cat way, because at the end of the day, we all have paws.
Catnip confetti!
There's enough paint here for everyone to add a paw print.
Greta, what is the meaning of this? Think of it as a collaborative art piece. It's perfect.
Come on, everyone, give it a go. The dog cat way. This dog's dinner really is the cat's pajamas.